Hey folks, wanted to welcome you to week number 9. Okay, so it looks like there's a lot this week, but it's really just like a lot of parts that I've broken up for you. All right, so first things first, continue your, again, I called this last week a research discussion. I don't think it's a discussion so much as a kind of a group project, but that's okay. You will find that there's a set of questions now in that Google Doc. Now I want you to use some of the information you find, and you might indeed need to go find some more information to try to answer those questions. Okay? Look for your feedback on your Essay 3 research questions. Okay? Complete the SIFT rubric on your meme or article, or at least start working on it. Okay? I will actually collect this next week. Okay, so you've got kind of this week and next week to work on your SIFT rubric. So I want you to start working on it. Okay, once you've received the feedback on your Essay 3 research questions, if you need to rework your questions, totally fine. Just go ahead and do it, resubmit. Okay, if you've been given the thumbs up on them, I want you to begin the research process. Okay, there's a video from Professor Moore, our librarian. Please watch that. There's a video kind of about how to understand what it is we're doing here called Research Process Part 1. Please watch that, okay? If you want to schedule an appointment with Professor Moore, she's more than she's very willing to do so. She's always glad and excited to work with students. So please feel free to reach out to her, okay? Watch the tutorial on using OneSearch and then begin researching, recording your answers in the research question template. There's also precision searching, which is actually about how to use Google if what you can't find what you're looking for in the library databases. Okay, take a look at those sample research answers. I want you to complete the answers and submit them to the Essay 3 research answer folder. Okay, obviously this is the same document that we started last week. You turned it in as just questions last week. This week, I want you to do the other two parts, the answer and citation. Okay, again, if you're struggling, go click that Ask a Librarian button or reach out to Professor Moore. Once you feel like you've got a good understanding of your research answers, doesn't have to be total, like, oh, I've got this completely done, but once you're most of the way there, I want you to watch the video on introductory paragraphs and write your introductory paragraphs, and I'm very clear about this, only the intro paragraph. Why only the introductory paragraph? The introductory paragraph really just needs to introduce your meme or article and explain what it is you're setting out to do. At this point, you should have a good enough understanding of the questions that you can put that intro together. And I think it's really critical that introduction does a nice job of doing that. Okay? All right. Again, SIFT rubric is right here, so create a copy of that SIFT rubric for yourself. Okay, so it's the same rubric you guys have been working on as a group, but I actually want you to use it for your own meme or article. Okay, again, same thing, those 3 sections, the I, F, and T. As you find answers to your research questions, you're going to be able to start filling in those sections on your SIFT rubric. Okay. There's that very large intro to research section. Again, a lot of this is just video. Schedule some time to sit back and just watch your way through them. Place to submit your Essay 3 answers, and then, of course, your introductory paragraphs. There are samples of everything, and as always, if you need help, I'm right here for you.